A friend of mine sent this to me, and guess what? I can't believe the amount of money I've actually made in just 24 hours. I'm going to be trying this out for good 3 days, and today is day one. See you on the third day. So today is the third day of me reviewing this particular website, and guess what, guys? I made this money practically doing nothing on this particular platform. And main reason why I'm actually reviewing this particular platform is for my subscriber to know if this really worth your time. Okay, because people are actually referring people, and people are investing their time, their data on this particular platform. So I say, let me even give it a try if it's actually worth my time and your time. Yeah, so I've done this trace so you don't have to go through it. Now, what exactly am I going to be doing? Let me show you. Let me perform to the task and see exactly what you're going to be doing on this particular platform to earn money. So now you click on task, and it's going to show you all of this under the task center. You can see follow social accounts. I just click on the what is it called, the button, and it takes me to this particular website. So I open another tab and go back there to verify, like that. I click on verify, and it's going to bring another task for me to perform, and I click on perform task, go back to the window. I open the another tab, and then that was just the process. Like, that was the process all through. And guess what, guys? I don't even like, I mean the link, I mean the website did not even go through. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Like, I didn't even calm down for the website to open. I just click on it. It took me to another tab, and I open another, and I close the tab to go back to where I'm coming from. All I have to do is just to click the verify button until I am done with that day task. Now you will see how much it's going to turn to. No, it was 49,000 naira before. Let me show you my balance now. So I went back to the home page to check my balance. As you can see, 14 it was 49,000 naira before, and now 65,000 naira. Guys, it's crazy. Okay, now what is the next thing for me? If I refer people, I'm going to be earning 6,700 and something naira. So now, at least let me withdraw 5,000 out of the 65,000 naira now. At least you get. I don't know why this keep this what's it called, that receipts, like notification that people are actually withdrawing from the money, it keeps popping up every single time. So just to encourage the users to keep doing it. Anyways, let's go over to the withdraw section, and withdraw, even if it's 5,000 naira. So now I'm going to click on the wallets to withdraw 5,000 naira, and then it shows this particular what's it called, threshold of $100, which means I need to have 136,000 naira. You know I have 60,000. You know I have 60,000 naira in my dashboard, so I have to keep using the app, performing that task exactly the same way to actually meet up with that requirement. Mind you, this is just the beginning, because they are going to request you to refer 10 more people to this particular platform. And after, even if you refer 10 people to this particular platform, you won't still be able to withdraw your money. I don't know if anyone has actually fought for this, but honestly, if, because I know some people will still ask me, I'm like, send me the link, send me the link. Some might not even reach to this particular aspect of what, I mean, the video. They will request for the link. Now, wasting your data, wasting your time in this Nigeria economy, I won't suggest that, because this thing that keeps popping up on their platform, like people withdraw money, so amount, so person withdraws so amount of money, it's all fake, it's all lies. They are just using this particular platform to gather your information, your registration information, and wasting your own data. It doesn't make sense. Like, think about it. Instead of you investing your time on this, make sure, like, invest it on something else that is going to pay you real money. I hope this is helpful. This is just a total waste of time to me, and I believe it is to you too. What do you think about this particular platform? Let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, see you on my next video, and do take care of yourself.